Alright, so we are back with another video here, and today we will be showing how to remove your old grip tape. You know, this is a process. It takes a while, but I'll tell you right now, like, it's totally possible. You know, it's like really on there from the summertime. You know, this is an old deck. I don't use it anymore, but a lot of skaters, they want to like change the grip tape because it has some more grips, right? So these are the things you'll be needing. Need a hair dryer. I'll explain that in a minute. Oh my God, what do I do with my tools? Oh, right here. And some of these tools, it's kind of like some blade. It's kind of like, this is for drywall, but like a blade like this doesn't have to be sharp, just something that you can scoop. And this trusted little tool right there, right? So these little three things, right? And so the process here is basically I have to put the hair dryer and dry it. I mean, put the hair dryer and make it, heat it up. Basically the glue is gonna like start to melt and it's gonna be easier to peel off. Anyways, so then after, you can start just peeling it, and then eventually it just starts to come off. So let's begin. All right, okay. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna heat it up. Man, this wire's not long enough, but whatever. So just start to heat it up. May take a while. Always start from like the edges here, like heat everything up, and you can heat everything up, but it would make more sense to just start like here and then like work your way out, but you can do whatever you want, right? Okay, that should be hot enough. So all you're gonna do is grab one of your little pieces, or it can be this one, doesn't really matter, and just start to poke it. You see, like, oh, that's beautiful. Oh man, that's gorgeous. See, it's just coming off like easily now because the grip tape is heated. See that? Oh, that's just peeling off now. Gorgeous. Yeah, so you really want to just heat it up, like heat it up until you touch it and be like, oh, okay, that feels like I'm touching a stove, you know? But like, just start to like peel it off gently like that, you know? You don't want to really rip off like like little pieces because it's gonna be a nightmare. So yeah, it's just coming off because it's heated already. There we go. Oh yeah, she's coming off. All right, I need gloves. Forgot how sticky this gets. I would really recommend gloves because this is, I mean, it's sticky, dude. Let's warm it up a bit more. Ow! So yeah, ouch, that was really hot. It can get really hot, so be careful with that. But you can see that it's starting to peel off much easier. Yeah, that's really good. Jesus Christ! I do gotta say, it is a process, and you need a lot of patience for this job, but you can get it done. It'll get done. All right. Grab that. Oh yeah, she's coming off. Yeah. She's coming. Okay, just keep heating it up. Ow. Okay, so it's obviously starting to rip independently, so you grab your little file tool and you peel it like that and you make it match. Oh, nice. Nice. There you go. She's going nowhere, dude. God. I need new gloves. Okay. Oh Christ, dude! I think I just killed my breaker. This thing. Anyways, you're gonna have to do this manually. Because my hair dryer blew up, or it might have killed the breaker. It doesn't really make sense because my TV is still on, so. Oh my god, yeah. This is a problem. It's like it makes it a little bit more difficult once, but you can just start to peel it like that, but that, you see, that's the problem. You see? That's a really big issue because it's not heated, right? So it starts to rip independently, which is really freaking bad, and this is not heated up at all. All right, so we are back. We are back. This thing is working now. Hopefully it doesn't shut off on me. I think it's because I had it too flat, but anyways. So anyways.
That's pretty much all off and melted. Start to pull.
Doesn't really matter, you know. You can still continue with that. It's a little annoying. You know, you wish you could peel it off in one piece, but it doesn't really matter. You just heat it up again, you know. Let's see. Oh, you being difficult. You know, it's not an easy process. It isn't, you know. You gotta have patience for this. But, you know, it's kind of stupid because, like, your grip tape, it loses grip, right, over the summer. So yeah, you know, we're basically halfway there, you know. Alright, so you got that piece off. Throw that in the garbage. Oh, and by the way, you don't really use grip tape, if anybody was wondering. Yes, and this is quite a battle. So, you need patience for this. But it's possible. Wow. Last piece, finally, hopefully. Oh, it's beautiful. Okay. Now with these little pieces, you just grab your little file, pull them off, peel them off. Because this is no good when it's actually, when you put the grip tape on, the new grip tape, not a good idea. You know, these little things. There we go. Yeah, just scrape it a little. Okay, so you take your horrible gloves of quality off, put that there. There you have it. Okay, so there it is. There it's completely free, and it's ready to get a new piece of grip tape on. What you're gonna be left with, and then after everything's okay, everything's pretty good. You can just start to put on the new grip tape, and that's pretty much what you gotta do. It's a process, and it takes time, and you need patience because you know what happened to me today. My dryer, I don't know what happened to it. It just turned off. But so yeah, you just heat up the glue as much as you can. Heat it up, and you start to peel. You start to peel with these little tools. You know, mostly this one. This one really helped me. Yeah. And then this one, when little things get stuck like corners, and you just kind of peel it like that. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's ready for a new one. And join me next week. I'm gonna be posting a new video, how to do a line grip tape. Basically, a lot of people like that design, so it's a very popular one. I usually, well, not usually, but I used to do that design myself, where you have just like a line here, and you see the bottom of the deck. That's not grip, so it's like a straight line. And I'm gonna be doing that one next week, so you know, join me, and maybe I might even use it on this really bad deck, because like it's pretty beat up, but like people might want to know how to put grip tape back on sticky stuff, because this stuff's sticky. There's many things I've tried to remove this stickiness, but dude, I've tried like alcohol, I've tried like the nail polish, I've tried putting that on, I tried alcohol swipes. It's just no good. You gotta live with it, unfortunately. I'm sure there is some ways people can figure out how to remove it, but I simply haven't found any. I'm pretty sure you don't really need it, because I'm gonna be showing you how to put down grip even though it's sticky. Doesn't really matter. But anyways, yeah, join me next week on the lining grip tape. And that's it, dudes. Peace.